Hi everybody, so today I'm doing one of my favorite things, and that is an unboxing. I am so obsessed with unboxings. Like, I will watch unboxing of like pet supply products to like prescription drugs to all the different subscription boxes, kids clothes, people clothes, all that type of stuff. I like to think that there must be some other people out there like myself, and so I wanted to do my own unboxing for all of you today. So my company has partnered with some of us, and they send out a pre kind of package of some upcoming products that are not on the market yet, and I get to demo them and sample them and fall in love with them and give feedback on them and all kinds of really great stuff before they even hit the market. So it's really cool to be able to do that. This is the holiday one that came. The holiday stuff is usually super extra special and fun with my company, so I'm really excited to see what's in here, just to be able to like have them in my own hands and like test them out. I'm very excited for. So without further ado, let's just kind of like dive into this. I have no idea where I'm going with this. Like, you're literally getting my first impressions. I didn't even peek, and I'm like somebody who I'm a peeker. So I promise I didn't even do that. I was saving it for everybody so we can all experience this together. So I'm going to go ahead and open. Oh, here it is. It's so pretty. I love pretty stuff. It looks like this. It's like Christmas. How cute are these boxes, you guys? I'm going to be able to get these boxes. Look at this box. Totally cute. It's like good material. There's more of them in here. They're so cute. I cannot wait to order these. Okay, so this is the new Live Fearlessly perfume. Confident, feminine, fearless. That's what it says, at least. Fearlessly Eau de Parfum. I'm not even sure that's how you say it, but perfume. Top notes are Italian bergamot, ginger, and lush petals. Middle notes are bold rose, lily of the valley, orchid. This is obviously a floral scent. And bottom notes are roasted tonka bean, cedarwood, Australian sandalwood, and vanilla musk. So it does definitely have also some kind of earthy, musky tones to it. So that's interesting. I actually really like that. That smells good. It's muskier than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like floral. I'm not a huge floral fan, guys. Like, it's not my thing. I like getting flowers, but I'm not like a huge fan of like floral on me personally, but this is not overly floral. I really like that. You can, I just sprayed all over myself. You can actually smell some of the floral in it. Don't get me wrong. You know what? This actually smells familiar. What does this smell like? This smells like something I've smelled before. You know what it reminds me of? If my mother's out there, this reminds me of your Giorgio. That's what it reminds me of. I'm not going to lie. I'm just being straight up across the board. It reminds me of Giorgio. My mom has a scent. I think I broke this, by the way. Like, I'm out of control. My mom has a scent that she has worn for ever. And I believe it's Giorgio Armani. I don't know. And it's a lovely smell. It smells way better on her than it does on me because, our skin's all different. But it reminds me a little bit of this. I feel like this is what it reminds me of. So Mom, if you're out there, you're gonna like this fragrance. So there. So let's move on. So this Lash Love mascara is regular, like we have the Lash Love mascara, but this packaging is limited edition and it's super cute. It has love in a bunch of different languages. Looks like this. And it's limited edition because $1 from each sale of one of these tubes is going to go to the Mary Kay Foundation. And that foundation is specifically, its mission statement is to end domestic violence, basically end cancers in women as well. So if either of those causes are near and dear to your heart, I know that both of them are for me personally for a lot of different personal reasons, then this might be a really great thing for you to snag. So if you're a regular customer who loves this, definitely get your hands and stock up on these really cute ones. And just know that $1 is going back to the foundation. Next, we do have, I didn't get them in here. They didn't include them in this, which is kind of tragic, but it's okay. We'll get through it. We do have, these are so cute, collaborating with the most influential trendsetters in Milan. This uniquely designed lipstick is offered to you exclusively from Mary Kay. So these are our bold statement lipsticks. There is Red Roma, Grazie, Violet, Orange Mio, and Puro Mirtillo. Somebody might have to tell me how to. I was in Italy, and I mean, like, I chopped my way through the whole. Well, I ate pizza through the whole place, but I also chopped my way attempting at Italian dialogue, and it wasn't good. But so if I said those wrongs, you're welcome to correct me. So I don't have these lipsticks in front of me, but they have these really cute little, like, lipstick. This is what they look like. So this one's going to be the red Roma, I'm sure. Yep, red Roma. Like the tomato. Grazie, violet. Puro Mirtillo. It's like a wine color. Orange Mio. This is going to be the one I like the best. I mean, it looks good on me, right? Definitely. This one and the tomato. Tomato. Oh yeah, I'm all over the tomato. I mean, these are intense, you guys. These are not like, these are going to be super intense. It's straight matte. So we have the gel semi-shine and the gel semi, almost, not quite, half, a bit, matte. These are straight up matte. Mary Kay Matte Lipstick. Empowers the woman who wears it and instantly intensifies any look with a velvety veil of pigment-packed color. She is going to be in Puro Mirtillo. I want to say yo because I took Spanish for a hot second, but I think the double L may be O in Italian. So she's in that one. It's reminding me of wine, so let's call it wine. Or port. This is the red Roma. This is the Grazie violet. I mean, you can tell it's matte. Like, this is color. This is like, boom. They don't have a picture of somebody in the last one. Well, that's tragic. I really wish I could have seen the orange because that's like the one that I would be wearing. But, you know, okay. Beggars can't be choosers. This is really cute. There's a limited edition head band. I look like a Mary Kay Ninja Warrior. So this keeps the hair out of your face and you can wash your face. Isn't this cute? I really like this. This is going to be available with the purchase of something. Tell me what it's going to be. When you purchase any one of our masks. Oh, you can wear it when you're masking. That's probably what it's for. I probably just thought it was for something and it's really for when you're masking. Whatever. I am guessing you can throw this in the wash machine as well when you are ready to wash it, if you get a little charcoal mask on it or anything like that. So, and last but not least is, I think probably what people are most excited about. I don't know, those lipsticks are pretty exciting. Satin Hands in Blissful Pomegranate. It smells amazing. Oh yeah, I just love it. Okay, so once upon a time, Mary Kay Canada, I don't know if Mary Kay US did, because at the time I was in Canada, did pomegranate. And, like, gone. Sold out. Christmas holidays, sold out. Everybody wanted it. It was mostly, I mean, this stuff was like gold. The Satin Hands is one of our most tried and true epic products that we have, and for us to now have it in this pomegranate is so cool. So the first step is the softener, protecting softener. It's like a super thick emollient. You put that on. Then what you do is you use the Satin Smoothie Refining Shea Scrub, which I love the shea in there, and this is in the pomegranate scent. And it exfoliates, but still like moisturizes. And then you rub that in with that emollient. And then you rinse, and always use warmer water, not cold water, because sometimes cold will stick. And then the last step is the lotion, which is the Nourishing Shea Cream. And this is all in that pomegranate smell, and it smells so good. It's so refreshing. It's crisp. It's fruity, but it's not like, This is a really great gift for the holidays. I mean, I package this puppy like a boss. Like, I have the coolest packaging. I did this back in the day when it was out, and I'm just really excited to bring it back because the color is fantastic and it just is so fun for the holidays. And I mean, anytime. So I'm just really even more excited now. We just launched incredible products. We launched the new brow tint, the volumizing brow tint. It's life. Okay? Like, it's life. It's amazing. New brow pencils. The coconut reviving spray we paired with Scandinavia and just launched that. It's like spraying the beach on your face. It's amazing. And the brand new Botanical Effects line, which also is, they really outdid themselves with the dragon fruit and aloe extract. So lots of new great, and 2 limited edition gel eyeliners in an orchid and espresso. So, I mean, we just launched these incredible products. They are fantastic. They will pull us through the holiday season as well. But on top of that, we get these little exciting additions. All right, so anyway, if you guys have any questions about any of these products, please be sure as a consultant to talk to your director. And to anybody else who's watching this and is excited to get your own hands on them, please contact your consultant or go to marykay.com for more information. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. This was super fun. Let's see, what is Italian? Ciao, right? I'm repping Italy with my lipsticks. Ciao, bella.